Okay guys, let's do it quick. In this video you will see a comparison between the Geeetech A10 and the Ender 3. Have fun! Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Thorsten, and in the past I already did a review of the A10 and of the Ender 3. If you are interested in the complete review, please follow the links in the video description. And now let's start with a comparison.
Let's jump directly to the technical specs. Both printers using the same design, which was created by Creality and even released as open source. The frames are made from aluminum extrusions. The assembly is pretty quick in both cases, whether the A10 is even much faster and easier assembled than the Ender 3. The Ender needs approximately 40 till 45 minutes to be ready. The A10 needs only ridiculous 10 till 15 minutes. The print size on the Ender is 220 in X and Y and 250 in Z direction. Same is valid for the A10, however 260 in Z, so 10 mm more print height on the A10. POM wheels and V-slot extrusions are used as a type of guiding on X, Y and Z axis on both printers. The material supply works identical as well, both are using a standard Bowden extruder. Differences you will find by the used print surfaces. While Geeetech applies a great working Geeetech superplate, which is a clone from Anycubics Ultrabase, Creality is using a great working flexible Buildtech clone, which is fixed by using brackets. Only bend a little the surface and the print will plop away, or is easily to remove now. This is working awesome. This solution makes it possible to remove the print during the surface is still heated up. During the superplate need to be cooled down to remove the print. The biggest difference is done by the electronics. Indeed, both printers are powered by a 24-volt PSU, which heats up the heated beds and the hot ends pretty fast, while in the Ender is a simple mainboard installed, which has not much possibilities for modding. You can be happy with a GT2560 Revision B mainboard from the A10, which is open source. This mainboard offers the possibility, for example, to upgrade to a dual extruder, and the internal storage from the A10 is much bigger than on the Ender. Thus, the A10 can use easily useful Marlin features like mesh bed leveling, or if you like, auto bed leveling, and even lots of other features. To compare the printing qualities, I printed the calibration cube, a dog, and a Mother's Day sculpture. The printing results are on the same level, I think. However, for example, the surface on the Mother's Day sculpture shows a little difference. I like the print from the Ender a little bit more, but the differences are really tiny. Another person would perhaps evaluate the quality otherwise.
Now the question, which one is the better printer, which one I should buy? So for 150 euro till 160 euro you get two great equipped printers. Aluminium frame, 24-volt system, Bowden extruder. In case of the A10 there's a great mainboard implemented, which is friendly for modding in the future. The community is pretty big for these two printers because these printers are using the same mechanical concept, so you can use the most moddings for each of them. Printing quality out of the box is pretty good, pretty the same. I liked the printing quality from the Ender 3 a little bit more, but on the basis that the mainboard on the Geeetech is much better in my opinion, I would give the lead to the Geeetech A10. I hope this comparison was helpful for you to see the differences of these two printers. If you want to see the complete reviews of the printers, please follow the links in the video description. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for that. See you next time. Bye bye.